greatest of all time, the guy that created nezabazi, may Allah grant him Jannat. Atta Muhammad Khan, he's the greatest. He's created it.
That these are village sports. People spend so much money on hockey, football, and so many other things. The government should take.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello Zeeshan. How are you? The video of your horses was very much liked by Pakistani, Europeans, Americans and Arabs. Again I am asking you for the viewers of MZ TV that who is your ideal rider in tent pegging in Pakistan or in the world? Please explain.
Assalamu alaikum, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੇ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜ਼ੀਸ਼ਨ ਮਨਾਜ਼ਰ, ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਰਕਾ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਨਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋਣਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ nezabazi ਤੋਂ ਬੜਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਮੇਰੇ ਦਾਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਿਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਖੇਡਦੇ, ਚਾਚੇ ਭਰਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਨੇ। what is my idol in nezabazi? My idol is the greatest of all time, the guy that created nezabazi, may Allah grant him Jannat. Atta Muhammad Khan, he's the greatest. He's created it. He makes. I loved about the how he really took care of his horses, like everything all around. He was a great guy. He cared for the poor. He made sure, like, if you didn't have a horse or nothing, he put you in his own team. We even have a horse that's from his. We have a son of one of his horses. I'll send a picture by Zafar, and he'll probably put in the video for you. He was a great guy. He cared for the horses. He made sure the horses are well. Like nowadays, people don't care about their horses. Like if something goes wrong, they just sell it. They don't even try to even fix it. That was one of the big things that I liked about him. And he cared about the horse. His style of coming out, keeping it right here, and then taking it at the end and hitting it. Like no one can do that type of style. It's really hard. And at the end, showing it to everyone that he hit the killa. And that he's my idol. I look up to him. He's my fan, or I'm his fan. He's not my fan. He's
Okay, very good. And question number 2. What is the difference between handling horses in Pakistan and USA or Europe?
And the second question was, what's the difference between American horses and Pakistani horses? The Pakistani, Desi horses, I just started out, but from how I've seen is that they're very hot-blooded. They can get a little riled up, they can get out of hand. They're a little bit more aggressive, you can say. So you have to be a little bit, tight. You got to be strong when you sit on them. Like I fell one time too, because I sat a little too loose and I fell over. And that's how you learn. That's how you learn when you become a sawai. You fall, you get up, you sit back. That's how you become a rider. That's what my dad says. That's what my grandpa says. So you got to stay strong on top of a horse. They say it's a Ghazi Mard. It's very strong. So you got to be a little bit more tough to sit on a Desi horse. And American horses, they're a little bit more, cool-minded, cold-blooded. They're more easier to sit, easier to control. It's the same things basically of the reins, pulling, stopping, going backwards, running, but just they're a little bit more easy to control. They're more cold-minded Desi horses. The Pakistani Desi horses, they're more hot-blooded. They're very beautiful animals. I love horses. Doesn't matter what breed. Like my favorite two are Spanish horses and Arabian. So those are my two favorites. And I hope everyone's having a good day. And
It is both a pleasure and a privilege to talk to the TV of Pakistan and tell the people that these are village sports. People spend so much money on hockey, football, and so many other things. The government should take some interest and also give these riders good encouragement. Here there are at least 500 horses. They should be a good price. And I hope that they will listen to me. Now we are giving all the prizes from our own pocket. Well, the matter is that hockey players, cricket players get ₹1,000. A man who keeps a horse has to keep a groom, has to keep a rider, and keep fit himself. So he should give encouragement, and the government should make a monthly pay for him. My message to the riders is that carry on. This sport is growing, and I am proud to say that Pakistan has a great number of horses and horsemen all around the world. No country has produced 5,000 tent peggers from one place.